Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2024 Ford Mustang GT Fastback with active exhaust. It's got the 5-liter V8, the 10-speed automatic, and it's painted in the new yellow splash tri-coat with the space gray interior. All right, we'll start here at the rear. So here is your trunk lid, and then inside your trunk, you can see it's all lined. Nice spacious trunk for the Mustangs. Let's lift this up here. We got the spare in there and a little bit of more storage that you could use there. All right, we'll close the trunk lid up here. We'll zoom out. This one has the black roof. You can see the antenna there, and it also has the spoiler delete. It's a nice sleek body. Sequential taillights, you got the blacked out GT badge in the center there, and of course the active exhaust down below with the quad tips. So it's a dual mode exhaust, so you can change it from loud to quiet or vice versa. Really cool feature, and it sounds great when it's opened up. All right, well check out the wheels next. So we got these black wheels. It's wrapped in Continental tires all the way around. The rear size is a 255/40 R19. We got the 4-wheel disc brakes on it. We'll check out the front here. So here's your front. You can see the brakes are much larger in the front. Silver calipers, and it says Mustang Brembo on them. Front tire size is a 255/40 R19. So we get the same size wheel all the way around, so you can rotate your tires. All right, here is your door panel. So we got the nice gray cloth material here. You got that nice carbon looking trim here. Power locks and windows, nice chrome door grab there. And then the dash over here, you got that same trim on the dash. Got the Mustang badge right there. Here's your glove box. We got the books in there, brand new, still wrapped. Here's your door jambs, nice and tidy. The black Mustang kick plate down there. Let's check out that rear seat. So we got the cloth seats, and again, the space gray. I like how it's two-tone with the nice gray stitching. Here's your carpeted mats up front here, and then here's your seats. We'll give it a quick scan here. Very comfortable, look like brand new. All right, close the door here. Let's check out that profile back here. We'll walk down the car. Of course, it's got that black roof. We got the black mirror caps there. Body color door handles here. There's those beautiful black wheels. And we got that nice rocker molding down there and the blacked out 5.0 badge. We got your LED headlights. You got your blacked out grille, your blacked out pony. And then here is your hood from underneath. And then here's your power plant. It's the 5-liter Coyote V8 producing 486 horsepower. It's paired to the 10-speed automatic transmission. What a great looking motor. And you can see the trim on the engine cover there matches the trim interior. Close the hood there. We got the black fence there. So we haven't polished this car yet. We'll do a 5-stage polish on it. Even though it's like a brand new car, we want to make it look better. A good starting point, as you can see here. And the wheels, back to our door panel here. We got blind spot monitor in the mirror there. Here's your power locks. You got power mirrors and power windows. Dash on this side here. We have digital screens there, 2 of them. And then we have your door jambs here. And I'll just show you, here's your back seat. Same as the other side, nice and clean. You got your pedals down there, your carpeted mats, and then here's your seat. And quick scan here. Very nice, and I love the way this cloth feels. It's a nice premium cloth. We'll jump in the vehicle here, and we'll check out that nice trim there. Here's your headlight controls, dash dimming lights, and then on the steering column at the bottom here, we have manual tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Over here, you got your signals. We got paddle shifters on both sides, so upshift, downshift. Here's all your cruise settings here. Over here's your audio, and then we got your windshield wipers with your rain sensing. All right, we have push button start. Let's start it up. All right, it sounds great right when you start it up. Let's zoom out. We'll check that wheel out. So we got this nice black wheel here with the bump outs, and you got a flat bottom on here, the nice trim here, and we got the Mustang pony in the center of the horn. All right, coming into the gauge cluster, fully digital cluster here. You can change the different modes. I'm just going to turn down this fan here. All right, so you can change your different modes to the layout of it. Let's check out the mileage. Only 2,160 kilometers. So like barely anything on there. Up here, we got your glasses holder. We got map lights there. There's your mirror. And then here, that large touchscreen here. Let's just go home here. We'll go over some of the features. All right, let's hit the pony button here first. We'll check this out. So here we got track apps. So you got different views here. Your auxiliary gauges, like I said, you can change that. Custom mode, you can customize. You can change your color theme. Here's your clusters. Here's your, so let's just bring it back over here. Here's the sport theme. We got normal. And then we got some classic themes here. So here's the 67, 68. We got the Fox body from the 86 to 93 there. And then we got the SVT 99 Cobra to 2001. So we'll leave it there for now. And you can see it there. We'll come back here. Here's your different exhausts. So the active exhaust. There's your silent mode. And we got different sport there and track. And then we have, we'll come back out here and go home. We'll throw a reverse. So there's your reverse camera. We got the park sensors as well. And I guess we should be here, that's why. Here's your icons over here. So you can see the different icons here. We'll go back home here and we'll go features. Driver assistance, just to show you some of this here. So we have lane keeping system, pre-collision assist, review camera, blind spot monitoring, cross traffic alert, and your driver alert, all those nice features there. And then we got some apps. So you got Apple Carplay and Android Auto, so you can connect up your phone there. Really cool. We got your vents down here. Here's your start button, and we got some extra buttons here. So your pony, that takes you to your performance. And then we have some media ports down there. Here's a little storage compartment there. Here is your automatic shifter, electronic parking brake. We got 2 cup holders there, and then we got a console here. Put my hand in here, you can see the depth of it. Another 12 volt there. All right, we'll open up the door next. I'm gonna turn the headlights on, and we'll give it a few revs here. One more time. That sounds great. All right, you can make that quieter if you like, but it doesn't ever sound good when it's open. All right, making our way to the front here. Those bright headlights I was talking about. We'll spin this car around here. Show you those bright LED tail lights, and we'll listen to this exhaust at idle here. All right, so here we have it. This is a 2024 Ford Mustang GT Fastback. It's got the active exhaust system, the 5-liter V8, the 10-speed automatic, and is painted in yellow splash with a space gray interior. This is here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come down and have a look at this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.